Welcome to our video blog. We decided to start our first video where also our story started. Located on the east side of Malaysia Peninsula, Tioman Island is a 4-hour drive from Kuala Lumpur to Mersing, followed by 2-hour ferry ride. A faster option is to fly from Subang, which also gets you to Tekek village. And then 10 more minutes of free shuttle to arrive to Berjaya resort. Hi, I'm Emeric.
Hi, I'm Priscilla.
We are going
to Tioman.
Well arrived. Nice. So, where are you going, Luan?
I'm going there.
You going diving? Yeah? Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
In addition to the beachfront, the resort offers several pool sizes, guaranteeing fun for adults and for kids. Or just relax and watch the sunset.
So we're in Berjaya Dive Center. We're going to be going diving after a while now, since the pandemic. Really looking forward to it. You'll see some amazing shots underwater shortly. See you!
Tioman Island provides access to underwater wonders for every level of diver and snorkeler, teeming with a wide variety of tropical fishes. Dive sites are mostly located northwest of the island, inclusive of coral reefs, large boulder structures, and wrecks. Many local institutions, such as Berjaya Resort, have programs for the conservation of the marine resources, involving coral transplant, reef and beach cleanup, environmental public awareness, turtle sanctuary. Do join their action to take care of the nature and save our future. The water's activities comprise the surfing season as well, in November on the East Coast. However, resorts are mostly closed during the monsoon season, from late December to February. Berjaya Resort offers a unique golf experience with a 18-hole course, ideally surrounded by lush green jungle and overlooking the azure blue ocean. You can also book an ATV expedition or trekking into the rainforest exploring waterfalls to identify wild animals. Nonetheless, the resort is equipped with more facilities, which includes a game room, gymnasium, football and basketball field, kayak rental, and a kids' playground.
If lazing on the beach is not your thing, there is definitely a lot of options to keep you busy.
Do you want to hear a story? So the first time that Papa met Maman, saw Maman for the first time, Papa was just here at the counter and Maman was playing on the beach, right there.
Oh yeah, I remember.
At the end of our trip, we had the great opportunity to meet with the founder of Berjaya Corporation, Tan Sri Vincent Tan. He was very friendly and comes off as a very humble man. We were thoroughly excited to have met him in the last night of our trip, and he made it even more memorable.